Validating dates. Here in this video, we will see the example of validation in the context of date. So I go to the data validation and select settings. Here I can allow date. When I've been allowing, I've always been going to between. However, you are not limited to that. I can say not between, equal to, greater than, less than. There are lots of different components. Here I choose greater than for this instance. I'm going to say 1/1/10. I will click on OK. So now if I put in 12/31/2010, I'm fine. If, however, I put in 1/1/09, now you'll see that I get the error message. What I would like you to note on dates is that it does not consider what the formatting is. Your date can be formatted in any way whatsoever and your validation rule will still apply. To change anything in it, we will just go back in data validation and then to the settings and remove the selection. If I was on date and I'd now like this to be a text length, I can put in the text length. Within the text length, again, I have all of the selections. Let's use equal to this time. When I choose equal to, I'm going to say that you can type in 3 letters and say OK. When I go back to the cell, I was allowed 3 letters, so I will type in 3 letters. I'll type in pop. When I accept it, it's fine. It's of 3 letters long. When I type in poppy again, it's violated the rules. Data validation is an important part of security. Because I'm actually controlling what you are allowed to type in, I can control the security of the spreadsheet. It's perfect for correcting typographical errors and limiting information. I can also customize any of the information. In customizing the information, we will use formulas that were very similar to the custom format.